Hey Jennies, welcome back to my channel. Today, JoseEunjung here. In today's video, we are going to be opening up the Galarian V Sirfetch'd box. I did buy this day. Champions Path was released. And let me just tell you guys, I've been so busy and I totally forgot about this. We're also going to be opening up what I got in the Pokemon Center. What I mean by that is that I actually bought stuff from the Pokemon Center website. And let's dig into that first because I'm super excited. So let me grab Tiffany. And look at the tape, it's so cute. So sorry about that. So I got super excited and the box was too big. But anyway, so that's what the box looks like. As you can see, look, the little Pikachu delivery thing and the Charizard, the Pokemon ball, and that's about it. Okay, so let's just open this up. Like I said, we have Tiffany here. Which box is the top? Okay, yes. So, I remember I ordered this. Some little, what are these called? Little Pokemon Halloween door decor 4-pack. So, not the greatest, not the best. So, I can't believe I got this. So, super excited, honestly. This was $39. How much was this? Come with a Gengar and a little Pikachu thing. Come with a, what do you want to call this? And some Pikachu and Eevee. And some more. These are pretty cute. I can't wait to, we're supposed to, like, at my work, we're supposed to, like, decorate our doors. So I'm like, and like whoever wins or classroom wins a pizza party, so I'm happy I win. Next thing I ordered is something that's so stupid, but I ordered this Eevee shirt thing. It's like in size medium because my fat ass is stuff. I'm currently a large and I'm just trying to lose it weight, and you know, I'll put a picture of it right here so you can see. I love the design. And my fat ass does not fit into it because I'm a fat biscuit. I also ordered 2 of the Pokemon tins. What am I wearing today for makeup? Remember, my channel is a makeup channel as well, and as well as Pokemon, and I tend to incorporate both into each video as much as I possibly can. Make sure to check out my box return video if you're into makeup, which is the last video I posted on Monday. Anyway, so on this Poke Wednesday, we're going to be talking about, this was what I have on my lips right now. A little elf. Little lip lacquer in clear, a little glossy. Foundation wise, I am wearing the Milani Perfect Conceal Perfect foundation, which I freaking love. I love how it smells. And for eyeshadows, I'm wearing this Wow Brow thing. I am wearing this Wow Brow bar thing. It's a little messy. I'm so sorry. That's how you know I do wear makeup. And eyeshadow, for mascara, I am wearing this Colossal by Maybeline. And I love it. I mean, look at it. Anyways, so let's dig into these first, and then we'll do the Sirfetch'd. This does come with 2 booster packs. So. I can open it. It's like shut airtight. I am so stupid. So I forgot to take out the rest of the film. I'm so stupid. Okay. Just remember, you guys, I'm pretty, but I'm also stupid. So, yeah. Okay, there we go. You come with a little coin. A little, I forgot what this is called. The Zycon Rock, what do you want to call it? Come with a Sun and Moon booster pack. And a Darkness Ablaze one. And this is what's inside. The Sirfetch'd picture thing. With a little information. Okay, I just opened the other 10 because I just want to get this over with. Same coin, booster pack, and a Dr. Supply's one. And the toxicity one. And this is what it says in the back of this one. Okay. So we're gonna open up both of the Sun and Moon ones, and these are both of the. Are these called? I don't know what these Pokemon are called. I forgot what they're called, but there's that to see. So in this one we have a Yungoos, a Torkoal, a Litten, a Stuffle, an Eevee looking so cute, oh, a reverse Krokorok, a Cosmon, a Fairy Energy card, a Bulldor, Timer Ball, a Brion, and a code card, you guys. Okay. Here's the other Sun and Moon booster. Little booster pack. Code card. Enjoy, you guys. We have a Sparrow, a Psyduck, an Eevee, a PP Peck, an Alolan Meowth, a Dragonite reverse, that one's cute, and a Stoutland, Fire Energy card, a Gramble, a Metapod, a Team Skull Grunt, and that's it. Okay, now for Dr. Supply's ones, we have Human Centipede on this one. We have a Mr. Mime, Galarian Mr. Mime, an Electrike, a Dano, a Passimian, a Bunnelby, a Powerful Energy Reverse, and we have a Serena, a Brown card, a Dartrix, a Staravia, a Shinoptic, and a code card, you guys. Next, when we have is Eternatus, we have a Teddiursa, a Pansear, a Morlul, a Wishiwashi, a Cuffent, a Golett reverse looking super shiny and cute, and a Swanna. Oh, finally! I haven't gotten this one yet. I'm glad I got it now. A blue card, a Gothorita, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, a Combuskin, and a code card. Okay, let's move on to the Galarian V Sirfetch'd. Let's look in the back, you guys. You can pause it and read it in your own. And let's just go ahead and open this one up. Here's what comes inside, you guys. A huge Galarian Sirfetch'd V, a promo, and this thing right here, the promo card, you guys. Looking so cute and adorable. Love it so much. Show his eyes. The code card for that promo card, you guys. It comes with 2 Dr. Supply's booster packs, a Charizard and Eternatus, a regular Sword and Shield one with Zacian, or Zamazenta, or whoever that is, and an X and Y evolutions with Charizard. And that's about it. Okay, we're going to open up the oldest one first, and that'll be the X and Y evolution one. Okay. I got Tiffany. First one we have is an Onyx, a Magikarp, a Brown card, a Staryu, a Tangela, Ooh, a reverse Mewtwo looking so cute. And a regular Mew, non-hollow, but it's okay. Poliwhirl, a maintenance, a potion, and a code card, you guys. Next one we're going to open up is going to be the Sword and Shield with Zamazenta. I think that's Zamazenta. We have a Meowth, a Scorbunny, so cute as always, a Sinistea, a Maractus, a Pikachu, looking so cute, a reverse Pikachu, okay, a Rapidash Galarian version, a brown card, a Switch energy card, an energy retrieval, a Heatmore, and a code card. Okay, then we got this Eternatus one here. We have a Paris, Gothita, a Skarmory, a Cubchoo, a Wimpod, and we have a Crobat V, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, it's an amazing pull we have there. A purple card, Carnivine, a big Parasol, Pierce, and a code card, you guys. Okay, now let's see. We're gonna open up this Charizard one. We have this code card right there. We have a Starly looking so cute, and Aeron. We have a Cubchoo, a Rowlet, a Jigglypuff, a Swanna reverse looking so pretty. Oh my gosh, and a Mew V card, you guys. Oh, this is my second one. Yay. We have a Dark Energy card, a Klung, Semi-Stage, a Blowing Smoke, and that's it. Okay, guys, so I guess the only amazing pulls we did have for today's video was the Mew View, the Mew V card, the Crobat V card, and the and the promotion card. That's about it. Okay, Jenny, that's it for today's video. You guys had an amazing time watching me. Well, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and make sure to check out my other videos. And if you're into makeup, I also do makeup videos, you guys. Make sure to stay tuned and tell your mamas, your sisters, your friends, your grandmas, and whoever else that may be interested in Pokemon and makeup as well. Okay, Jenny, so make sure to stay tuned. I'll be uploading a new video this Friday, and I hope you guys enjoy this Poke Wednesday. Love you, Jenny. Stay safe. Bye.